Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of becoming an AI specialized business unit manager. We'll dive into the essential skills, the strategic mindset, and the steps you need to take to excel in this cutting edge role. Whether you're transitioning from a different field or looking to advance your career in AI, this guide will provide you with the insights and tools to succeed. Let's get started. By becoming an AI specialized business unit manager, you future proof your skills in an ever evolving tech landscape. You'll unlock more job opportunities as businesses increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Plus, you'll enjoy a higher salary thanks to the efficiency and productivity AI brings to your role. Embrace this path to stay ahead, enhance your career prospects, and maximize your earning potential. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized business unit manager. With AI developments advancing rapidly, our platform ensures you stay updated on the latest trends and technologies relevant to your role. Our curriculum is continuously refreshed to reflect the newest advancements, so you can lead your business unit with cutting-edge knowledge and skills. Stay ahead of the curve and drive your career forward with CompleteAITraining.com. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for business unit managers. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks, and utilize organized AI tools to enhance your managerial skills. With our course and certification program, you'll become an AI specialized business unit manager, equipped to lead with innovation. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for business unit managers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert business unit manager. You can start a 3-day trial today.